Hi guys, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying your weather. Today I have a very beautiful video regarding your handbags crocheting and hope so you enjoy it. Thanks for watching my videos, liking my videos and sharing my channel to your friends. If you are looking for crochet bag patterns, here are 30 different best patterns out of there from many different designers. I just love crocheting my own bags, so I'm excited to show you these days. One of the greatest thing about crochet bags is that they are extremely versatile. They can be used for an occasion, from something as simple as a gift bag to an elegant evening bag. Also, bags can be a big or a small as your heart desires, and you can choose the color and material that fits your style. Before we get into the list of patterns, let's talk a bit more about crochet bags for a minute. In this video you show many different beautiful bags that attracts you. They're very beautiful. Crochet bags are much easier than you may think. There is no reason to buy bags when you can easily make them by yourself. But the truth is there are many different ways to crochet bags. Here are a few methods I have used before. Making two squares or rectangles, sewing them together and adding a handle working in the round from the bottom up, making the base, side and handles separately and sewing them together at the end. The pattern I am about to show you will probably use on these methods or maybe even a different one. There are different types of crochet bags. There are many different types of crochet bags. Here are few most popular I show you in my video. There are a purse or handbag. There are many patterns for purses out there made from a wide variety of different materials.